Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to mute a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. If constant notifications are driving you a little crazy, or you just need some quiet time without leaving the conversation, this is exactly what you're looking for. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, not the web browser one. Once the app is open, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side. This is where all your conversations are neatly arranged. Next, scroll through the list and find the chat you want to mute. It can be a personal message or even a group chat. It works the same way for both. Take a second to make sure you've got the right one, especially if you've got a few similar names in your contacts. Now, right-click on that chat. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of options. What you need to click on is mute. It's usually one of the top options, easy to spot. When you click on mute, a small window will pop up asking how long you'd like to mute this chat. You can choose between a few different time periods like 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Think about how long you want to keep things quiet. If you're muting a busy group chat, the always option might be your best bet. After you've made your choice, click on the mute button to confirm. That's it. The chat is now muted and you won't receive sound alerts or pop-up notifications from it anymore. You can still open it anytime and see the messages whenever you want. They just won't interrupt you. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, simply right-click that same chat again and select unmute. It only takes a second. Now you know exactly how to mute a chat on WhatsApp for PC with the new update. Simple, quick, and perfect for keeping your focus where you need it.